Ever feel like you're dragging through the day, barely keeping your eyes open? Maybe it's time to trade that snooze button for some sneakers. Why? Well, it's all about the power of exercise. Neil Paulvin, a renowned regenerative medicine doctor in New York City, advocates for the power of exercise in boosting not just physical fitness, but also mood. Both of these elements contribute significantly to your overall health and well-being. First, let's delve into the physical benefits of exercise that can boost your energy levels. When you exercise, your body increases the production of endorphins, those neurochemicals stored in the brain's hypothalamus and pituitary gland. These hormones are released when you engage in moderate-intensity activities like aerobic exercise and weight training. Endorphins help alleviate pain, reduce stress, and enhance your overall sense of well-being. You might have heard of the runner's high. That's endorphins at work. Exercise also bolsters cardiovascular health, enabling you to endure longer throughout the day. The American Heart Association recommends at least 2.5 hours of moderate-intensity aerobic activity per week for optimal heart health. And if you're having trouble sleeping, exercise can help with that too. Regular physical activity can improve your sleep quality, making you feel more refreshed and energized throughout the day. But that's not all. Exercise can also sharpen your focus. Studies have shown that moderate physical activity can improve cognitive performance, including memory and concentration, making you feel more energized and ready to tackle whatever the day throws at you. Now, let's turn to the psychological and mental health benefits of exercise. Exercise can uplift your mood by improving alertness and cognitive function over the long term. According to Gail Saltz, a clinical associate professor of psychiatry at New York Presbyterian Hospital and Weill Cornell Medicine, breaking a sweat can also help decrease feelings of stress. In summary, exercise is a powerful tool that can boost your energy levels, improve your mood, and enhance your overall health and well-being. So the next time you feel sluggish, consider lacing up those sneakers and getting your heart rate up. Your body and mind will thank you.